Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is such a special day. We're celebrating our baby girl's very first birthday. It feels like just yesterday she was so tiny in my arms, and now here we are 1 year later.
Father God, manguna ka ngayon sa birthday celebrant sa apo ko na si Irie. Father God, maraming salamat Father God sa isang taon na naabot niya ngayon. Panalanginan mo siya, Panginoon, na magpatuloy ang health niya.
Everyone enjoyed the delicious food prepared for the celebration. Family and friends came together to celebrate with us, filling the venue with so much love and joy. Then came the sweetest moment of all, singing happy birthday and blowing the candle of our little one. Such a milestone to remember forever.
Let's all sing! Happy birthday to you. Ready kids, go! Jump, 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 jump and jump, jump, jump. Shake her body, shake, shake, shake. And shake your hands up, come on. And shake your hands up. And clap your hands and sing again in 1, 2, 3.
Our little princess looked extra adorable in her birthday outfit, ready to enjoy her big day.
Happy birthday to you. It is our last.
The kids had so much fun with the games and activities, and of course, also the adults. Their laughter made the day even brighter.
Major prize, okay, this is our chocolate. Okay, major prize, 5 winners. 5 kabok ka mga daw. Okay, I need someone to bring me any kind of valid ID. Alright, team, okay, valid ID. Kasi baka na valid ID, alright. Okay, pilay na ni Sir Leo. 53. Okay, ready na ba si Sir Leo? Murag ready na. Okay, murag ready na. Bago lang sa dili. Okay. Taga-asa ka? Taga-Bulwa. Bulwa! Sige, sir. Sayawin. Di mo hunda ka mo, Yosef. Di ka mo sayaw. Sige, go. Anak. Tan. Sige. Sige. Sir, marama ka si Jollibee, sir. Okay lang yan, sir. There you go! Inatay. Ikaw mo. Sige. Kabana na mo. Sige. Sabay. Ma'am! Bino na lang kung taga-asa kay kailan mo ko nilanin. Okay. Si Ma'am Lovely o si Ma'am Jen. Okay, ready na ba? Ready na lang. Okay. Now, taga-asa mo! Barangay Bulwa! Sige! Kanawa na! Okay, ingat na. Okay, sit ko na. Sakto mo, what is your favorite animal?
Cat.
Cat. Okay, nasaan yung mga kids? Okay, kids, what's the sound of cat? Very good. Okay, what's the sound of cat? Again. Pagalit ang pusa. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Meow, 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 meow.
Hello. Rhyme. Shake your body. Jump. Up your hands. Shake your hands. Hands up. Okay, into your hands. Split yourself into 2. Okay, you find your partner that's on the 2.
We are beyond grateful for all the love, gifts, and well wishes for our baby girl. This first year has been the most beautiful journey, and we can't wait for more milestones ahead. Happy first birthday to our sweet girl. May you continue to grow with joy, love, and endless laughter. To our family and friends, thank you for being part of this unforgettable day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and celebrate with us on this journey. Bye!